The cup. What's in the cup?
Chris? Can you come here? Come on. Walk to me, babe.
What's in the cup?
Hi, babe.
What's in the
Chris? So the bunny rabbit? Cleo. And there's a teeny kitty cat. It's really tiny. And then here's the other kitty cat. Hi, Yoda. And this is Clara, a tiny little kitty cat. And this is Cleo the bunny, and Chris loves to pet her. Is that your bunny rabbit, Chris? Don't flap her, that's not nice. Be nice, Chris. Say it, Cleo. Where you going, Christopher?
No, I can't push the gate over. You just sitting like this?
Chris. Are you saying hey to the rabbit? She's coming up on the other side. Chris? Are you fixing the car? Are you fixing your car? You can't get back down, can you? Kick it. What are you doing to your car, Chris? Are you breaking your car? Chris? Are you breaking your car? Look at that big old mess. You took apart all those blocks. Psh, whatever. Hey, get your Winnie the Pooh. Hey, you're cheating. Bye-bye, TV. Hello, TV. Bye-bye, TV. You're not supposed to play with the TV, Chris. You're not supposed to play with the TV, Chris. No, that's not a good boy. That's a bad boy. South Park? You want me to push play? Nobody should watch this show. Bye-bye, TV. Chris, can you say bye-bye, camera?